Now in this program we learn how to make object. Object or instance is nothing but the variable of a class, and when you create an object, the copy of an attribute and method is assigned to that instance or object. This is a class with two class attributes, length and breadth, initialized to value 8 and 5. There is no function, no print statement also. Doesn't matter. Here you are making an object R, or you can say that you are making an instance R of rect class. So what will happen? Whatever is there in this class, a copy of it will be assigned to R. So R will get two attributes L and B, and the values of L and B will be set to 8 and 5. You are displaying something. Length is R.L. The value of L of R object is 8. Breadth is R.B. The value of B attribute of R object is 5. Area of rectangle is, and you are displaying the multiplication of the two. 8 into 5 is 40. So you can access the attribute of any instance by making use of a period between instance and its attribute. And similarly you can access the functions of the class also. We'll see to it soon. Let's copy this program. Length is 8, breadth is 5, and the area of rectangle is 40. Right?